All right, Camden, it's a super special day today. What are we doing? You're having a birthday party today? At Hangtime Play Cafe?
Yeah.
Listen, you guys, Camden turns 4 tomorrow, and today he's having a birthday party at Hangtime Play Cafe, which is my sister's new Play Cafe business. I'll put the link down below, but hangtimeplaycafe.com. So if you live in the area of Arlington, Washington, check it out. Super fun, super clean. So it's a super fun place. Do you like playing there? And tell everyone who you saw yesterday at Hangtime.
Moana and Maui.
Look over here and tell them.
Moana and Maui.
You saw Moana and Maui?
I see what's happening, yeah.
So yeah, so we're gonna head out to the birthday party soon. Camden, look at me. Where are we? We're at your birthday party. You ready, Luke, for a birthday party? Let's go. All right, guys, we're at Hangtime Cafe. You want to go show them your party room? Come on, let's go. Say, come with me, guys. Look at the camera and say, come with me. Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday, Camden.
Show everyone your room. The playroom. Okay, but look over here at the party room.
Happy birthday, Camden.
Come on. Wow. It's all decorated for you, Cam. It looks good.
Is that like a GoPro?
It's called an Osmo Pocket.
What does it do?
It's a video camera.
Oh, that's cool.
Camden, look at your birthday sign. It says happy birthday 4. Look, you already got presents. Do you want to go show everyone the play area? Come on.
Here, Camden.
Oh my god, your teacher, Cam. So at the cafe they have all this seating here for the parents, and they can watch while their kids play. And then she designed it so all of the, like, the whole play area you can see, it's all plexiglass. Hey, Hangtime Cafe owner. Hi, Luke. Did you tell your mom that you went right to bed yesterday with no whining? Do it again.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, Camden's going up. He's going up. He's gonna go down the slide. Go. Woo. Are you gonna go, Luke?
Happy birthday, Camden. I can't believe you're 4.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Camden. Nana loves you.
Happy birthday, Camden!
Happy birthday, Camden! Almost cupcake time. Camden, I like your candle. That's fun.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camden. Happy birthday to you. Blow your candle out. Yay! Woo! All right, Camden, your birthday party's over. Did you have fun? Yeah, and when we go home, we're gonna open your presents.
Yay!
Yay! Can you go say thank you to Auntie? Give her a big hug.
Thank
Go give her a big hug. Go give her a hug.
Do I get a hug? Oh yeah, set all the stuff down. Happy birthday. How old are you now?
4.
4. Oh my gosh.
Camden, what are we doing? Are we opening presents? Look at all these presents you got, Camden. Lucky boy. How to solve a Rubik's Cube. And a Rubik's Cube? Fun.
Make it when you No, toy.
Toy. Oh, Camden.
What is that, a gift card?
Oh, that's a cool Disney card. Here, give
Whoa.
us
Can I see?
Oh, Lego.
A Toy Story Disney gift card.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool.
Number 4. Mom,
Lego. Lego. Wow. There's another name, but I can help you.
You still have so many left to open. You're so lucky.
Yeah, what?
A bluey scooter?
Yeah.
No way.
No way.
Who's that from, Cam?
Mom and Dad.
I don't think so.
No.
Who got you that?
Grandpa? Nana?
Was it Nana and Grandpa? Say thanks, Nana and Grandpa. That is so cool. Excited. Back up a little. Give him space. Camden, show me. What the heck?
It's a game.
Let me see that. Wowzer. Surprise Mario Pop.
Wait, what is this?
He pops out? Lucky. A shirt? A Cars shirt?
Crocs?
What?
That's from Auntie Erin.
Lightning Crocs?
From Auntie Ava.
Wow, those are fun. Abbas? You got Abbas? Bubbles. A bubble machine. Oh, those are fun. That bubble machine I heard does a lot of fun stuff. What is that, Camden? Oh, a Cars track? That one looks really fun.
I think we have that. No?
Another shirt? Oh, a whole outfit. That's cool.
There's another card. Oh, Camden.
That's from Catherine, I think.
It's
A new book? And can you, Camden, say thanks to everyone for the gifts? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camden. Happy birthday to you. Yay, happy birthday.